Hello, folks of the internet. Quick tip, hack, what have you. For anyone that owns an IKEA Poang model chair like we do and potentially has kids jumping on it, overactive niece or nephew, etc. One thing that I've found about this chair, as much as I like it and how comfortable it is, when you sit down in it and you put weight on the back, this brace basically across the back will rub up against the wall, if you have it up against a wall, that is. Which I guess if you don't have somebody that's overactive sitting in it, it's not a big deal. But in our case, we have several kids that get in it and start jumping on it and potentially can mess up the wall, scrape it up, take the plaster off, etc. So what do you do about that? I think I found something kind of cool, super easy, super cheap. Go down to your local dollar store, find a swimming noodle, one that is hollow, and cut a strip down the middle of it. And then basically on this second crossbar that you see down here, the lower one, right there, just stick this on it. And there you go. So now, when the chair is up against the wall, there's no rubbing of the veneer paneling right here of the back of the chair against the wall. And anybody looking at it from pretty much most directions is none the wiser that you've got some fluorescent yellow deal on it, unless they're coming all the way to the side. But in any event, it makes a lot of sense for us. It's saved us from having a lot of unnecessary work. Hope this helps. Thanks.